Very good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pathfinder's trainings. And the market took a relief rally yesterday. And today in the morning, I'm seeing that Singapore Nifty, which was about plus 10, is now minus 10, 15,931. Yesterday, again, a decent profit of 37,967 I booked. But in the end, the market took an upside, and from minus 150 it went to plus 150. And I'm currently running a loss of 18,451. This is my loss in the market for the moment. That is running. The month is going good. Let's start with a meditation. Get ready, and then we will start. Sit straight wherever you are. जहाँ भी हैं आप सीधे बैठ जाइए. Spine सीधी चाहिए. Eyes closed. आंखें बंद कर लीजिए. Keep your eyes closed and take the awareness on your breath is your connection to your subconscious mind. Take the awareness on your. Watch your breath going in and coming out. If a thought comes, just become aware of it and focus back on the. Keep your eyes closed. Do not open your eyes. I request you to. Now, on my count of 6, you will breathe in. And again, on my count of 6, you will breathe out. 6 in and 6 out. And after that, just follow the instructions. We will be starting now. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. Keep your eyes closed and visualize yourself in front of a sea. You are on a seashore. It is evening time and the sunset is happening. आप समुद्र के किनारे लहरें समुद्र की बह रही हैं. सुंदर शाम है और सनसेट हो रहा है. Remove your shoes, chappals, whatever you are wearing, and barefoot start walking towards the seashore. Your feet are touching the seawater. Continue to walk in. Now you are ankle deep in water. Stand here and continue to watch the sunset. As you are watching the sunset, you note that from the sky, a beautiful white bird is coming towards you. It is a magical bird capable of granting wishes. Bird अभी नीचे आपके सामने आ गई है and speaking to you the following words. I'm very happy with you and I've come here to grant your wish. Now ask the bird the following wish. I want to become a rule-based, process-driven, profitable trader and investor. Ask now. The bird has granted your wish and is flying back where it came from. In front of you, a sunset has happened, and you are now part of a beautiful evening. Your wish has been granted. You're feeling relaxed, happy, and peaceful. On my count of 5, slowly open your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please open your eyes slowly. Yes, guys, welcome everybody. And yesterday, America has taken a decision that they will not import the oil from Russia. And many European countries have also taken this decision. And that means crude oil will go up. And if I'm looking at crude oil right now, in commodities here, spot price of crude oil, it is almost $9,132 was the price of crude oil yesterday that I know of. Let's keep an eye on crude oil. क्रूड ऑयल पे एक आंख नजर रखिएगा. क्रूड निफ्टी को डिक्टेट कर रहा है. So you should have a close eye on crude oil. Okay, so here, very good morning everybody. और गुरमीत सिंह जी, आपके लिए एक लेसन. जब अच्छा प्रॉफिट आ रहा हो तो उसमें से निकलना भी जरूरी है. आपको कल अच्छा प्रॉफिट आ रहा था जब मार्केट -150 पे था. अभी देखिए वही प्रॉफिट लॉस में कन्वर्ट हो गया. तो इसीलिए प्रॉफिट्स को रेगुलरली बुक करना जरूरी है. मैं आपका अकाउंट देख रहा था. सो वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी. जो अब तक क्लास में नहीं आ पाया है, जो अभी भी एब्सेंट है, प्लीज से यस if you are still absent. So I know who has not yet come. Praveen is missing. He said, sir, I'm not there. Nishit तो total missing है. आशीष, आकाश, चंचल, कितने लोग मिसिंग है. बाप रे, क्लास शुरू कैसे करूं? मेरे सब स्टार स्टूडेंट्स तो मिसिंग है. So let's look at crude oil. Now, this is crude oil. Yesterday, if we saw, after a big run up, yesterday there was a spinning top that happened in crude oil. So, and with America saying they'll not import oil from Russia, Let's see how that happens today. The Russian city of Kiev is almost on the verge of breakdown, and the war is turning ugly since Putin has not yet been able to capture Ukraine. He was hoping he would capture it in a week, but it's almost 2 weeks now. So, and that is what the worry part is. There are now NATO forces that are in Romania, American planes circling there, so not a good scenario. So keep an eye on the news also. General say Ukraine apparently talking in terms of not joining NATO. Well, they don't have a choice. I think he has to say that. But I think we will. I hope it finishes and things become normal. But the effects of this war will continue. Effects of this war will continue. Yesterday there was a relief rally in Nickel, not Nickel, sorry. News Road. Okay, so let's check out. Biden bans Russian oil import. That's another news that is worth looking at. They don't import so much from Russia, but that is the first decisive step that they have taken on this. Arvind said tomorrow US and Russia and Ukraine will meet in Turkey. They have met before also, Arvind. लेकिन वो सुनते नहीं एक दूसरे की. So it's more of an eye wash. And our Prime Minister's words they're taking pretty seriously. They mention him a lot. That's good news. Guys, I had a late night. तो मैं आधा नींद में हूँ. तो यदि आपको मेरे बोलते बोलते 1 मिनट का साइलेंस आ जाए तो आप समझ जाइएगा कि मैं सो गया हूँ. Province US is only the reason for this war. Yes, that is also true. Now, see here, look at the patterns. Focus on the patterns. This level is decisively broken now, and the next level now is here. 15,500 looks to be a level. So I think we still have a 500 points of downside, and we have been shorting the rallies. So retracements are a good place to go short on. So that's one thing that we have to look at. So let's close. I think follow the trend. Trend following can be a good method at this stage of trading Nifty. Instead of saying, okay, I'll be long, I'll be short. You can be both long and short today. So my trade in Nifty would be both long and short Nifty. Long and short Nifty as per Renko Express. I think that is the good day to go for it. The standard Renko Express. You can use a 5%, not a 7%. You can use a 5% Renko Express today, and that can be a good one to look for. So, and you can do the same thing for Bank Nifty. This would be my trade of the day. Short Nifty and stay away from crude oil. Is very volatile. Loss होगा तो बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. So only experts are able to do it here. Gold also, let's check out. Gold was at 53,000. And you see gold went almost till 55,000, 55,591, and now stabilizing around 54,000. So in the end, there was profit booking both in gold, both in crude oil. And this is gold has reached a double top. See, these patterns never fail. Okay. And Chanchal says yesterday's FII is again sold. Yes. So they sold for 8,142 crores. So FII is 34,239 minus 34,239 and DAI is bought for 24,420. 24,420. And you see this time retail is also purchasing substantially, but selling continuing. Now, what we have to see is out of the total that has been sold by the DIIs, the retail has bought 25%. 25% is a big number. 25% buying going to the retail, that is a lot of maturity in our stock market. And in this market also, you'll have to learn how to handle, how to take care of your portfolio. So here in this, just give me. So here, this is how my portfolio is doing. First of all, I have created a beer-proof portfolio. So I have invested 15 lakh 85,000 rupees in the last few days. Current value, we started building our portfolio from the level of 17,000 in our investors club. Current value 15 lakh 77,000, a small loss of just minus 0.5% when the market is down 7.5%. And I have some mutual funds for tax saving, which we can't sell, so they are there. And then this is my cash for trading. And I am doing option strategy continuously in case the market crashes down. The strategy has given me 1,88,000 rupees. So overall, from 21st February, when I started building the portfolio, till 9th March today, in 16 days, my profit is 8.2%. Projected annual profit 183%, while Nifty has performed minus 7.5%. Last portfolio we built was a bull-friendly portfolio. This portfolio that we have built is a bear-proof portfolio because the coming 1 year is going to be a bearish market. Okay, so this is the market that we are looking at. Chanchal says, but won't higher retail participation create extra volatility as they will be on one to run first when market falls and also late joiners when it rallies? No, Chanchal, everybody is learning now. People know technical analysis. हमारा इंडियन पब्लिक अब होशियार हो गया है, समझदार हो गया है. So मेच्योरिटी आएगी धीरे धीरे। ये 15 साल पहले की बातें हैं। अभी हमारा यंगस्टर बिटकॉइन ट्रेड करता है। सो नाउ आम आदमी जाग चुका है, बराबर है। नाउ what were the stocks that went up yesterday? Let's look at yesterday. See here, this was the rally that came, HDFC, which was very oversold, took a relief rally. This is short covering. This phenomenon is called short covering. When people book profit in the short derivative trades, market goes up. So the yesterday it was not buying, it was a short covering that came into the market. So it was a short covering market that happened yesterday. IT stocks went up. And you see, Reliance was not up much yesterday. SBI, almost, you see, very similar trend. TCS was strong yesterday. TCS, there was an insider buying yesterday of almost 1 million stock. Somebody bought about 1 million stocks yesterday from TCS. Infosys was up, ITC was up, Axis Bank was up. So I will go for more of a trend following, and I'll be using the Renko Express today in the Nifty. That would be my primary trade today, guys. Yeah, any queries, questions you have, you can ask me. Any particular stock you want me to see for you? Keep an eye on crude oil. Sandeepan Das say I'm long in TCS. Should I exit? Go by the flow, Sandeepan. Put a stop loss and keep an eye on either the Yogi Express or Pathfinders Express or the Renko Express. Okay, it's already 8:54. I'll take one or two. 9 o'clock is my class. Tata Motors, McDowell's, and Ashok Leyland. Okay, let's take this one, Tata Motors. If you look at Tata Motors में बड़ा अजीब सा स्ट्रक्चर है। देखिए ऊपर गया, जोर से भागा, किधर नहीं गया, and then it moved down with the market. But a lot of people are investing in Tata Motors, hoping that Tata Motors will be, the next big company for the electric vehicles, and that is what is keeping Tata Motors up. So Tata Motors, you can look for long opportunities. This is a knee-jerk reaction, and it will go further up. So long can be a trade in Tata Motors, and it is the expectations that matter. होगा नहीं होगा वो बात की बात है, but those are the expectations. McDowell's, and McDowell's is also going down, but the liquor companies, I think they have enough demand. लोग खुश होते हैं तो भी पीते हैं, दुखी होते हैं तो भी पीते हैं, और बोर होते हैं तो भी पीते हैं. So this is one product that works in uptrending, downtrending, and sideways market. So with that logic, isn't McDonald's an option? Rajesh बोलते have sold crude oil future as per Rohit momentum of 60 minute 9480. Now what should I do? Should I square off and buy 1.4? नहीं राजेश जी, ऐसा नहीं. अभी आपका ये राजेश गोयल का ट्रेड देख लेते हैं क्रूड ऑयल का. इन्होंने 60 मिनट में लिया है. देखिए आपका ये ट्रेड चल रहा है. क्या जस्ट अ मिनट, लेट मी हेल्प हिम. At what price have you bought it? At what price have you bought crude oil or sold crude oil? Sorry, 9480 sold. सर तो स्टॉप लॉस किधर था? एंट्री 9480. No, where is your stop loss? स्टॉप लॉस कहाँ लगा है? रोहित मोमेंटम में भी स्टॉप लॉस तो लगता है. स्टॉप लॉस सब में लगता है. स्टॉप लॉस के बिना तो रोहित भी ट्रेड नहीं करता है. इज अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. Exactly. So you cannot, I assume you have not put a stop loss. So without a stop loss and without proper position sizing, any trade is a. And you sold yesterday at 11 p.m. And these days, Rajesh, another lesson. मार्केट में इतनी वोलेटिलिटी है तो बिना प्रोटेक्शन ट्रेड को एक दिन से दूसरे दिन तक लेकर मत जाइएगा. आप देख लीजिए क्रूड में जहां तक मुझे ध्यान है उसमें ऑप्शंस जो हैं वो लिक्विड है. तो यू कैन क्रिएट अ पुट हेज. आप एक पुट हेज बना सकते हैं इसमें राजेश. देख लीजिए लिक्विडिटी हो तो पुट हेज बना सकते हैं. फिलहाल तो ऊपर जा रहा है. शॉर्ट किया था आपने, लॉन्ग नहीं किया था, शॉर्ट किया था. तो फॉर द मोमेंट तो प्रेशर तो ऊपर का ही दिख रहा है इस पे. यू कैन शॉर्ट वन ऑफ द नेक्स्ट एक्सपायरी का एक शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं. तो आपका हेज हो जाता है फिलहाल. एंड देन यू कैन लुक फॉर एन एग्जिट. क्लास में देखते हैं. लेट्स लुक इन द क्लास. क्लास पे याद दिलाइए तो अभी 9 बजे देखते हैं उसको. टाटा मोटर्स, मैकडोनल्ड्स. अशोक लेलैंड. तो लोग वहां से रोहित मोमेंटम इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन मोबाइल ऐप. नहीं, मोबाइल ऐप में अवेलेबल नहीं. Okay, guys, that's from my side. Thank you very much. And this is one video where you can hear my meditations. Okay, thank you very much. And intraday club members, we are meeting in after 1 minute.